Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I need to make a couple things for my chop saw table. I really need to do a whole new table, but I know I'm not going to do it anytime soon. And this is a couple items that I really should have made a long time ago. Here I just got a piece of plate, a piece of 16 gauge. Marking out a couple lines where I'm going to score it at so I can bend it. This will be like a catch bin for all the metal chips coming off when I'm cutting. Got to be real careful scoring something like this, especially thin 16 gauge like this. You just really want a thin little line across it. Usually with that 16 gauge, you only have to bevel one side to get it to bend all the way up. This is the table. I know I've said in several videos that I was going to redo this table. And this is what I'm trying to clean up back here, or keep from getting so bad. I've got the plug covered up with cardboard. You can see it sticks in the wall and everything. But this table, I've been using it for like 9 or 10 years, maybe longer. This used to be an inside table. It had tiles up under that piece of wood. And my old lady got tired of it a long time ago, and I just turned it into that. But it's worked good ever since, but it is bowing in the center, so I'll probably have to change it soon. That was just some mounting holes I was drilling. And I'm just getting it bent up into a little J shape. This is a little side piece because it'll fit on the corner of the table. This could have been added in on the cut and then scored and bent up also, but I had a couple thin strips laying around, so I figured I'd just do it like that. The little tray part is about 3 inches deep and about 3 inches wide. And I'm just trying to get it mounted on here. It was kind of worrisome trying to get it screwed in right there in that little 3-inch gap. But I just ran bolts all the way through the table. I've got clamps holding it up straight right now. It's like some 2-inch by 1-inch frame on that table. And you can kind of see there, now just about all of it should catch inside there. Some of it's still going to hit the floor. I'll put a little door on that side too. Here is something I wanted to put on the other end. I've got this roller, and I've actually got a piece of the roller stand that it came off of. So it has those hexagon shapes that the ends fit in. I'm going to cut some ears out of that. I cut them different than what I had drawn on there. I don't think that was going to work. So I just kind of angled up to get 2 ears out of it. This is something else I should have done. I know I've had that roller for about 8 years, at least 8 years. But I got them sitting on there now. This is just a little bracket to help stiffen it. one end of that roller will push in, so it's still removable if I wanted to pull it out of there. I was going to make this bolt on also, but I ended up just going and tacking it on. I think it'd be nice to have a little groove set up where you can move it up and down to get it leveled out. And then just a matter of tacking it to the table. That piece of tubing that it's sitting on, that the other piece of tubing is sitting on, that's what I've been using right there. And I've got a roller on the other end. And then you can kind of see the legs of the blue roller stand back there. It's usually lined up with that. I keep looking around. I'm trying to decide just how much I want to weld on there in case I have to remove it. I was thinking about going solid, but at the end I just decided with several good tacks that would be kind of easy to remove. And then you can pull it out of there. I don't know what good that'll be to pull it out, but it is removable. And then that's about it on it. A couple long overdue upgrades on the table. That roller had set so long I had to put WD-40 in it. But I think that'll work out great. I may end up having to nip that top left corner so I can move the saw back a little bit on the table. That's the little door I put on. I just put a bolt in it, tack the nut on the inside, and then tack the washer to the screw or bolt so I can just undo it by hand. That'll do it on this one. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.